We'll guide you through how to use Healing Brush and Snapseed. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to the list of apps on your phone. Use the search tool and type Snapseed. When the app appears, tap it to open Snapseed. After the application loads, tap the Add Photo option and select the photo you want to edit. Once the image opens, tap the Tools menu to expand more editing tools. Look for the Healing Brush option. Tap it. The Healing Brush is a useful feature that helps you remove unwanted objects from your photo. To use it, start brushing over the object you want to delete. Move your fingers slowly and carefully for better results. If something goes wrong, you can use the Undo button to reverse your last action. You can also compare your progress with the original image by tapping the button next to the Light Mode button. This preview helps you check whether the edits look natural and whether any important details were accidentally removed. After comparing, continue brushing over the object until every unwanted part disappears as cleanly as possible. Take your time and work on small areas instead of trying to erase everything at once, because careful editing usually creates smoother results. If you notice any remaining marks or imperfections, brush over them again until they blend naturally with the surrounding background. Once you are satisfied with the edited image, locate the checkmark button. Tap it to view the final result. Save the edited photo if you are happy with the changes, so you can keep the improved version in your gallery for future use or share it with friends and family. Remember that practicing with different photos will help you become more confident and accurate when using the Healing Brush tool. With patience and steady movements, you can remove distractions while keeping the photo looking clean, realistic, and professional.